Okay. So thank you, Abdullah. And am I the host now? Okay. Smart guy. He only makes me co-host. Doesn't make me the host. All right. Fine. Uh, we will do a small fun thing. So no more technical thing. That's Alfia ma'am's work. But since she's doing SDG, what SDG were you supposed to talk about today? It's okay, Aisha.
Goal number 5, gender equality.
Perfect, perfect. All right. Goal number 5, gender equality. Yes, I understand some of you have internet issues. You can keep your videos off. Umar also, if you want to, because of the internet. All right. So I don't want you to use too much of a bandwidth. Others can keep it on, and it's fine as long as the DP is nice, Avengers DP or something interesting. I don't mind seeing the DP as well. You know, it's always boring to see all the faces like Ibrahim and Abdullah and Rujda and Anas. That's so boring faces. You've got long faces. Yeah. Yeah, Hamza, tell me again. Which key on? I'm sorry,
Which
Hamza, I
team
did
won
not hear you
yesterday
out. Can
in
you tell me
IPL?
again?
Rajasthan Royals.
Oh, which
Rajasthan
team
Royals.
won? My team lost, Hamza. Yeah, yeah,
Chennai
okay,
Super King
okay.
lost from
But
17 or
no,
16.
17 runs.
17 runs.
lost by.
Okay.
Okay, good, good. Very interesting. But
in cricket, I'm saying which team in bottle water won.
see, Hamza is so smart. He's asking about the business studies, and you're telling me about IPL, which no one's interested in talking
Studies,
anyway.
no one
But
won, ma'am, like the
I
both teams.
okay, but I think you guys did some lovely work. I saw the research that the teams are doing and all the conversation
I
that you're
can
having.
show my review of my.
Okay, so let me start with Alfia, ma'am. She was talking about gender equality, goal number 5, right?
No,
Now,
sir, we were doing Olympics, gender
yeah,
equality.
yeah, exactly. That is what Abdullah, goal number 5, gender equality. Sorry, I just have to. I've seen there's some background noise. Can I mute everybody and then let's find out? It's okay, all of you. But she was doing about gender 5, goal number 5, gender equality, Olympics, right? I don't have Olympic per se, but I'm going to tell something else around with it. So basically, when you talk about boys, girls, when you talk about rights, good and the bad, this is where we come to. You know, we come to this very common symbol. This is a symbol for a boy and a girl. Can you tell me what's the boy symbol, what's the girl
The,
symbol? Yeah, Ibrahim.
there is a
one is
background
boy
noise.
and the girl one symbol
Okay.
is.
All right. Isn't this itself so biased and stereotype? You know what do you mean by stereotype? Okay, I can see some background noise. Can you all mute yourself and then I'll ask you each one of you? Yeah, maybe Aisha Aga, Humaira Qasim. Just mute yourself, girls. Or there's some child crying in the background. I don't know who's. Everybody just keep looking, muting yourself. So there's Aisha's. Okay. Okay, it's Aisha Aga. It must be Asma crying. It's all right. Good. Fine. Mohammed, I've just muted each one of you, just that easy for me, so I can talk to you. Now, let me start asking you a question. All right, Anas. Anas, are you there? Can you unmute yourself? Can I hear you say yes? So I can. Okay, Anas is connecting. It's an internet issue. That's okay. So let me just run to Aisha. Aisha Aga, Aisha Kazi. Aisha, can you see what is stereotypical? Do you know what is stereotype means?
No.
Okay, okay. Anybody who knows what a stereotype is? Anyone who has an idea what a stereotype is?
A stereotype is something where you give a name to somebody if they like do something.
Very interesting. Good, Rujda. Good. That's nice. Okay, I can see two more raised hands. Let me ask you. Let me go to Muhammad M. Tell me, Muhammad M.
Stereotypes is when some people do things like people are named by things.
Fantastic. Yeah.
Always on screen when he goes to beach. That's why they named that guy some name.
Okay, that's interesting. All right, I'll give you examples. Good, Ibrahim and Yahya, both of you. Yeah, go ahead, one by one. Ibrahim first.
Sir, I have an example.
Okay, 1 minute. I'll first go to Ibrahim.
I have an example on YouTube. There is a channel of Dude Perfect, and that they have stereotypes of driving and beach, and then
Okay. All right, not quite. It's close. Both of you gave an example, which is close enough. Somebody said an example. Yahya, you said that. You have an example. Go ahead. Yahya, can't hear you. Speak again, or with the mic closer, or something around you. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Stereotype is someone means we take one topic and there is two types of people.
Sir, I have an example.
Okay, go ahead. Example. Yeah. Okay, not very close. Aisha, I'll explain to you. Don't worry, Aisha Aga. Go ahead. Example. Amdan, was that your voice?
Sir, if someone is angry every time, then his stereotype name is Rage Monster.
Wow, that's a good example. So thank you, all of you. Right? I can understand what you said and very interesting. For example, stereotype is when you have a preconceived idea. Another big word. Okay. When you, before even meeting somebody, you decide that person may not be the best person. Okay, Aisha Aga and rest of you, Jueria and everyone else. Are you understanding? So let's say, example, I'll give you an example. Okay. Let's say you're meeting somebody from Tamil Nadu, from South India. In your mind, oh, South Indian, he has to be black. He cannot speak English without an accent. He must be very, very fat man. Moment you thought of that, you stereotype themselves. You already stereotype means you put a image of that person who has to be a bad man. Imagine someone's very rich, all right, and you see, oh, you are a rich man. You have to be very, very arrogant. Correct? So example, you meet someone, let's say Jueria is coming from United States, America, and she's got few cars and all. Jueria Waid, oh, she has to be arrogant girl. The moment you think of people like that, this is called stereotyping. Even across we do. Someone says, I live in Mumra. What do you think? Oh, poor guy. Oh, he must be a Muslim who is very poor living in Mumra. You see my point? The moment you say that, you're stereotyping it. And then there are labels, there are colors that stereotype. Now, this is a stereotype in this picture itself. Who can tell me what's the wrong in this picture? What's wrong? Something, okay, I can
Sir,
see.
can I say,
Oh,
please?
no. Hold on.
Please,
Who's
please.
can I? Yeah, who is Abdullah Patel? No, I'm
Yes.
going to go. No, thank you so much. I want to go to someone else. Humaira Qasim. Humaira, can you see the colors? What is the color for the girl and what's the color for the boy?
Girl color is
Yes, and the boy's color is?
girl's color is blue and girl's
Okay.
color is pink.
What's wrong with those colors, Humaira? If girl is pink and a boy is blue? No, hold on. Anas, okay, Anas, tell me, yeah. Yeah, Anas, what's wrong?
Ma'am played a game.
Alfia ma'am played a game. Okay, tell me, Anas, what did you learn from the game?
Gender.
Yeah, gender. Okay, gender equality. All right, what's wrong? Okay, Jueria, I want you to answer. What's wrong with pink and blue? Pink is a good color.
Always they make girls always pink and the boys always blue.
Okay, all right. So if for example, if Hamza, you have a beautiful new wardrobe and you want a wardrobe which is pink in color, what will your friends think of you?
They will think I'm a fool, but I won't think that.
Really? They think like that. Okay, Abdullah, you want new shoes for yourself and you want to buy new pink color shoes. What do you think your sisters will tell you?
They won't say anything because they like blue color, that's why.
Oh, so they will allow you to wear. No, you're buying a pink. Will you buy a pink color shoe for you? Pink color Nike shoe?
Yes, if I like, but I actually like red and black or red and white.
Okay, red and black, red and white. All right. How many girls here, Rushda? What about you, Rushda? If you want to buy, let's say, a toy, what kind of toy will people say, oh, Rushda should buy? Should Rushda buy a Barbie doll or should Rushda buy a Transformer toy? Unmute and speak up.
None. I hate both.
You hate both. Okay, what are the toy that you would like, Rushda?
Use Surface Pro.
What's that? I have no idea. Ibrahim, can you explain what did she just say?
It's a laptop.
I also did not understand.
It's a laptop. All right. So Ibrahim, you are going to buy a laptop for your sister. All right, Misbah now. Right? That little girl, the sweet girl is behind. What if there's a choice of a color to buy? What kind of a color would you buy for her?
She's obsessed with blue and she loves blue and that's why.
Okay, interesting. Right. So what we are looking at is here you guys are very smart. But most of us will stereotype things that if you have to buy a toy for a girl, it would be maybe a doll or it would be something like a kitchen set, which is so silly. But that's what people do, isn't it? Okay, I'll ask you some more questions around. All right. So this is what.
And I want to say something.
Yeah, Abdullah, go ahead.
My sister my sisters are totally opposite. They do not like Barbie dolls. They like Avengers.
So do you like Barbie doll? Okay, Abdullah Patel loves Barbie doll. What do you think about it, Mohammed M?
Eh?
Yeah, Abdullah Patel loves Barbie doll. What do you think?
I don't know. He will like Barbie doll.
Hamdan, what do you think? Abdullah loves Barbie doll.
I don't
No.
know. I also
No.
No?
No. He
What
would
do you
hate
think, Aisha Kazi? Will you gift Abdullah Patel Barbie next time because he loves them? No?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, we should gift, right? Is it wrong to like something like that? The Aishas who both are there, if Aisha Aga can speak up, Omar, you both can speak up since I don't see you. Yeah? You think it's bad for Abdullah to like a doll?
It is not bad, but I actually don't like
I know, Abdullah, I know you don't like it, but that is what, see, Yahya says, I like teddy bear. Now, this is what, you should never be ashamed of what you like, isn't it? That's the whole part of it. Anyway, let's quickly go and ask you this question. Now, I'm going to go one by one, and who is responsible or who is good at cooking or who is responsible for cooking in a normal house? All right, Jueria, who is responsible for cooking? Mama,
anybody.
Every
hold on.
we can. I and my father cook in the Saturday, Sundays, and mama cooks on the
On the
this
other days.
yeah.
Okay,
So we
interesting.
can take turns.
All right, interesting. Yahya, you want to speak up something?
And my father cook food in Dubai.
Okay, interesting. Your father does that. Okay. Can I quickly
Sir,
go to
I want to
Anas?
say
Hold on. I want to speak. Anas, who do you think is very good in archery, boys or girls?
Both.
Both. Okay. Ibrahim, swimming. Who do you think is better in swimming, men or women?
Both. I think both. We should never underestimate it.
Okay, interestingly. All right. Umar, can you hear me? If Umar, who is better in football?
Yes.
Messi and Ronaldo or the rest of the women people in the world?
Messi.
Yeah, look, all gender equality has gone to the drain now.
Pele.
Yeah,
Pele is the
Pele
best.
is like, oh, all right, fine.
Ronaldo.
Okay. Who is good in knitting? Aisha Kazi, who is good in knitting? Stitching, knitting. Who's good?
Grandma.
Oh, nice. So that's mother. Oh, Aisha, I want to hear. Mom or dad? I think some of the dads don't even know what to make one stitch, right? They can't do one stitch if the life depends
Sir,
on it.
I know very nicely.
Mostly moms because moms do knitting very well and
Interesting.
dads do fixing and the mechanical work.
Okay, that's interesting. All right, let me show you some of the toys. Okay, Aisha Aga, since you are there, Aisha Aga, tell me if you have to gift a toy like this, right? There is a pink color elephant. Do you see that? Who will you gift it to, a boy or a girl? Anyone. Interesting. Okay, Hamdan, you have to gift a toaster. Can you see the toaster, red color toaster on top? Yeah, who will you give that toaster to, boy or a girl?
My mom.
My mom. Oh, interesting. Hamdan is honest and clear. All right. Very nice. Rujda, you have to give this little. What is this called, by the way? This little girl with jumping on a trampoline kind of a thing. Who will you give this to, boy or a girl?
Both. I mean, it's suitable for both.
Okay, interesting. Abdullah Patel, you have to give this Mickey Mouse cup to a boy or a girl. Who will you gift it to?
I will give it to Ibrahim.
Ibrahim. Oh, okay. Ibrahim, what gift will you give to Abdullah Patel then?
I'll gift him the white bottle.
White bottle. Hamza, you have to gift a Kindle to somebody. What are you gonna gift?
Sister has Kindle. I love.
Who are you gonna give Kindle to?
What do I forget?
Kindle. You know the Kindle out there? This is like a tab where you read books on.
Only books are available.
Yahya wants the elephant. Okay, interesting. I'm not giving books to anybody. Okay, now there's something more interesting you all have to do. Okay, everyone has to do some action.
Elephant will play with the baby and make him feed, and these three will go all to me.
Interesting. So, people have stereotyped toys as well. When it comes to toys, they have doll houses and kitchen sets for girls and Legos and Hot Wheels set and Avengers for boys. Isn't it so biased? This is what gender equality is all about. Gender equality.
Sir, I don't like Avengers.
It's okay, Aisha, it's okay. I mean, you don't have to like any of these toys for that matter. But the problem is we are pushing ourselves to tell that some toys are for boys, some toys are for girls. That's what it says. Oh, you're wearing a t-shirt. Oh, that's a boy's t-shirt. I went the other day to Bandra to buy some t-shirt and I said, I've got a daughter. He said, "Arey, to aapko grey nahi chalega." I said, why not? Why not grey? Oh, ye boys ka t-shirt hai. And then I realized that people have still the mentality. Oh, who's going to, usually you hear when your elder sisters are there, hopefully your parents will not speak, but the older people used to say, come on, learn cooking. Aapko shaadi karke kahin jana hai. As if the boys are not going to cook at all. It's so sad. Yeah, I can see Juwairiya's face. I can see Rushda and Aisha's face, everybody. You see, that is the problem we've got. You have to change that. Okay, now you're going to help me do that. Let's pretend. Okay, Juwairiya, pretend that you have two girls. So this is a symbol for boy or a girl? Mohammadi?
Boy.
Boys, okay. So you have to pretend how do boys do things, okay? Boys have to clean the cupboard. All right, so Juwairiya is going to pretend how do boys clean the cupboard. Come on, show me. Come on, everybody. I'm going to close this share and I want to see everybody. So here we are. Juwairiya, pretend how do boys clean the cupboard. Just you can pretend. You don't have to make noise. Just show me. Like that. Okay, interestingly. Aisha, Kazi, let's say one of the boys they are not able to search their shoes. They have to search their shoes. How are they going to search the shoes or the socks? Very interestingly. Have you seen that? Find a sock? Yeah? Find out how do boys find socks?
They tell Mama.
Oh, look at Muhammad. Yeah, they tell, Mama, mere moze kahan hai? Or what do you go? There is another word for socks in Urdu. I don't think you have ever heard of the word. It's called jurab. Mere jurabe kahan hai? And the boys are like, oh my goodness.
I know that. I've studied.
And the boys are like, oh, they're searching all the cupboard. Oh my goodness. Oh, where is it? Where are the socks? Where are the socks? Where? And they don't know where the socks are, right?
Tell a fact.
Sometimes they wear the socks and find them.
Oh, look at that. Aisha says that's what boys do. They wear the socks. All right. Now,
Can I say a fact?
hold on. I'm going to come to you. Wait.
Sir, I want to say one thing, sir. Very
Abdullah always has to say. Very important. I hope it's important, Abdullah. Otherwise, I'll put you in waiting room. Go ahead. Tell me.
Girls always wear one pair of socks and other pair of socks.
Abdullah, it is about boys. Shall I put Abdullah in waiting room now? It was not important, was it? Okay. There you are.
Nice joke.
Okay. No, hold on. I am talking about boys, so we want to hear about boys. Okay. Aisha Aga, tell me how do boys cook? Show me how do boys cook. Come on, show me. Yeah.
They every time ask where everything is.
Oh, where is the salt?
Put all the masala.
And they always throw everything.
They throw everything, okay. And the boys are cooking. Mama, salt is what color? Yellow color, red color, white color? Oh,
White.
no, they have no idea. Oh, Mama, this red color is chili powder or haldi powder. And they don't know. Mama, what is it saying?
Sir, I know everything.
I know, interesting. Okay. And the last
Sir,
one.
my father
Krishna,
puts every
Krishna,
masala
show me
he
how
gets.
do boys cry? Come on. I think Humaira and
They don't cry, they hit people.
They hit people. Wow, that's nice from Rushda. Humaira, show me how do boys cry if they have to cry. Pretend to be crying like a boy. Crocodile tears, but yeah, that she's crying. Okay, right. Juwairiya, can you cry like a boy? Show me. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Interesting. Okay. Now it's boys' turn. Okay. So I'm going to show you another set of a slide, but we're going to show another set of slide where we'll see, let's see what do girls do. Okay. I'm going to stop this and I'll ask you. Okay. Now, Yahya, show us how do girls run? Mohammed, can you do that again, please? Before Yahya says that, Mohammed, can you do that? Oh no, look at that is called steer. Aisha, Kazi says no. But that's what, yeah, show us that again. Mohammed really did a great demo. Yeah, how do girls run?
They
Oh,
don't.
look at Yahya, look at Yahya. Oh my goodness, look at all the girls. Okay, Anas Mohammed, show me how do girls throw? How do girls throw? Yeah, look at that. Look at Anas moment. Oh my goodness. Look at Humaira, Juwairiya, Aisha, Rushdas. Look at the way boys are showing. Okay, Hamdan. Hamdan, show me how do girls cry. Where is Hamdan? I didn't saw him now. Hamdan, come on. How do girls cry? Show me. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at Muhammad. Okay, interesting. Okay, all right. And Umar? Umar and
I know, sir, because
You
my
guys are
sister
being
cries a
very
lot.
over dramatic.
That's okay. Umar and Ibrahim, show me how
Sir,
do
because
girls
my
talk.
sister Ida always cries to
What?
grab her attention.
Yeah,
Everybody
to grab
Can't
the
hear you.
Okay, look at what Hamdan says. His sister Ira cries
She
to
always
grab
wants the
attention.
upper hand.
She's a pretending. All the girls pretend to cry. That's what you're saying, right? I mean, this is stereotype. That's wonderful. This is example. See, these your friends in rights are good friends, but this is how stereotypes are. Ibrahim and Umar, show me how do girls talk. Look at that. You know? Oh my goodness! Look at Ibrahim and Umar.
Speak in an accent that is not
Yeah,
understanding.
you know,
Rushda.
Ibrahim's mom and Juwairiya's mom talk exactly like this on the phone for hours together.
They speak for hours, 2, 3 hours.
Now, okay, so this is exactly. Thank you all for being such a sport.
You're talking about moms.
They talk about moms. Okay, they talk about you guys. But you know what? This is exactly what stereotype is all about. This is what stereotyping is. We are stereotyping girls and boys. So let me show you a very interesting video. You'll have fun watching it because you just did what you are telling me. And then we will discuss, are we really stereotyping and what should we do about it? Okay. Let me quickly go through one of the videos. But for that, okay. Now, what you have to do is, where is my Ibrahim? My host Abdullah. You can pause the recording because when you upload it, then the recording is a problem. Abdullah, pause the Abdullah recording on, please. Yeah, good. Thank you. Okay, go ahead, Abdullah. You want to speak something?
Sir, the same video was shown to me by my mom,
Mhm.
and she told like how does a girl run and something. So I didn't do the same because I knew that girls do not run because there are
Okay. No, I want your observations from the video. Tell me, what did you see? Like, I agree that you all are different, and that is what we are
Because,
doing.
Like,
sir,
Okay.
the young girls
Okay.
do
I'll give you 1 minute.
actually
1
what
minute.
girls do.
Okay, the young girls actually do what girls do, Hamdan. I love the way, the fact that the young ones have no pretensions. They have no stereotype idea. It's also, there's a big word I'm using called prejudice. You know, nobody
Sir,
told
it is
them.
actually that
Yes.
some teenager girls like get bullied so much that they don't like to be a girl or something.
Very nice. You get bullied for being that. Okay, Hamza, you raise your hand. Tell me, Hamza, what do you observe? And I'll take one more comment and I'll go and show you what the boys think. Go ahead, Hamza. Unmute and speak up.
That people think that the elders are not that active and they're just shown in one place, but the younger ones are more active. They run away and show how
Yes.
the girls really.
Very nice. That's wonderful. Ibrahim, give me last comment and I'll go ahead to someone else after that. Yeah, Ibrahim?
Younger ones do not know that what they are asking. They do not
Yes. That is what happens. The society
the
tells
elder
us.
ones.
Yeah,
The elder ones
you know, I have, Umar is not there, the younger one. He has 2 elder sisters. Sisters used to say that always my mother would tell, pick up the cloth, and she will never say to my brother. And I said, that is stereotype. You know, if a parent has to say, they have to say to everybody. You know, oh, girls, you should learn how to pick your clothes. Boys, they can be in the night suit all day long. That's not gender equality. They have to be together in this. All right. Okay. So again, pause the recording. I'll show you another video about the boys now. How boys being.
I think guilty.
Are they or they're not?
Guilty.
They are? Okay. I will take one more comment for anyone who wants to add a comment. What did you understand from 2? And then we'll take 2 slides. Okay, Ibrahim. Go ahead, Ibrahim.
I understood that in the first video, like the boys were the girls were the boys were doing to the they were how they were pretending. So
Yes.
same way the girls
That's
also
good.
do.
I like
Gender
when you use
equality.
good words. Pretending. I want the team here in Right to start becoming, very confident when you speak in language. Put your words in a succinct way, in small breath. Just put your words in a right sentence. Great. Anas, you want to say something? You raise your hand, and I'll close this conversation. We're almost done, but some very interesting point. Anas, want to add something? Okay. All right. So now this is what we're going to do. Each one of you are going to tell me one thing you were told you can do or you can't do, and you didn't like it. So, maybe with your friends, maybe with your relatives, I know your parents, maybe sometime our parents also need to learn a little bit from us. But somewhere down the line, maybe a dad says something, oh, come on, you're a girl, you can't do that. Oh, come on, you're a boy, you can't do that. Maybe something your friends, relatives, especially the relatives come in, they come and say that. I will tell you what they told me. Imagine you change your school, right? Did somebody come and say, oh, what are you doing? You are going from such a big 5-acre CBSE school to unschool. Oh my goodness, you will not succeed. Somebody came and told the Kazi family, oh, you are...
my nanny tells like that.
Okay, right, it is possible. These, Aisha, this is called stereotype, all right? This is what people think.
Also, can I say?
Yeah, please go ahead, tell me.
No, it's not about this. It's a nice small speech.
It's not about?
It's not about this, but it's about hope.
Tell me, go ahead.
Choose hope, choose happy. Many times we come across situations that are not in our favor. There will be times when things may go wrong for us. Not just once, maybe several times. We may not be able to get something correct. Despite putting in a lot of effort for
Sorry. Sorry, Ibrahim. I should have. I wanted to hold on, Ibrahim. Unmute yourself and speak out again. Okay. And put your camera on when you're.
the host is muting me. I don't know.
No. It's okay. Okay. All right. So it's about hope. The things you're doing around hope. But I want you to put it in your words, Ibrahim. Tell me what you think about it. The things that people told you could not do. Maybe cycling. Some of the girls went out cycling. How many of you think girls cannot ride bikes? Raise your hand. I can see one gender stereotype out there. It's okay. Yeah. What do you think, Muhammad? Why do you think? Look at that. Why do you think girls cannot ride bikes? What do you think, Rushda and Juwaria? Can girls ride bikes?
I've seen so many girls riding bikes.
Okay. All right. Muhammad.
Anybody can do anything. It's
Yes.
just the society who is changing everything.
Fantastic, Abdullah. You just spoke like a true gender right activist, right? Yeah. Tell me something.
Sir, Muspira rides
Cycles, yeah. Oh, wow. I like the way.
Yes, sir. Even
I'll tell you,
sister
Hamdan.
likes.
Okay. Yeah, good, Hamdan. So now you are
Sir,
breaking the
Farhana is
stereotype.
faster than me. She runs like an animal.
Brilliant.
She doesn't like.
Wow.
And
That's
sir,
exactly what I wanted to
Muspira
hear.
just got a knitting set, and I also love.
I'm happy. There is a book called Sadiq Loves to Stitch. Now tell me, do you think boys can become great cook and great tailors? Is it possible?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. In the world, there
Yes.
are boys who
Right.
are the most.
Boys are the best chefs, the best tailors, the best cooking host show, isn't it? So that is where it's
Master chef.
stereotype. Master chefs, all right. So what we're saying is Cinderella's, girls don't have to be Cinderella all the time. The girls don't need a prince to come and rescue her. That's what the problem in the fairy tales is. Every time, oh, you're a pretty little girl, somebody will come with a shoe and you should slap the shoe on the prince's head. You know that? Yeah, you don't have to kiss frogs to find princes. Throw the frogs in the pond. You are the heroes of your life. And boys, you don't have to be Captain America all the time. You don't have to have bicep. You don't have to hit the gym all the time. You don't have to do all that. It's okay to be a polite, to be a soft-spoken boy. It's okay to be nice. And this is what we talk about. You don't have to be 10. You don't have to be someone else. You have to be right.
Yourself. First, there's a quote, love yourself first.
Brilliant. Yes, love yourself. A can of juice. Go enjoy a little stroll. Enjoy your gender equality goal number 5. Until then, for your next class, all the best and bye-bye.
Do we have to join the Mandela link?
Yes. Oh, thank you, Ibrahim, for asking me that question. You've got 15 minutes or almost 18 minutes now. This time, for your maths class, you are going to join the Mandela link. And only okay, as of now, some of you are exempted from the Mandela link, right? only the ones whose name have been mentioned are going to join the Mandela link. Others have only 2 maths classes, right? So who are the ones who are joining Mandela link? Other than that, class is over for all of you. Ibrahim is joining.
No,
Abdullah, you are joining.
I'm not in.
You, Juwaria, you are off. Aisha Aga, you are off. Anas, you are joining. Muhammad M is joining. What about you, Aisha, Ruzda, Umar? What do you think?
We have to join the
Hamdan is also not
Okay.
joining. Omar is also not joining. Hamza is also not joining.
Okay, good. All right, good. All right, so
So the
Ibrahim,
people who
thank you for
don't have
letting us know.
Mandela's math class, they won't
Yes.
be joining. They have no class.
Yes, they have no class now.
Do I
No,
have to
no,
join?
Juwaria, you don't have to join. Umar, I don't think. Aisha, okay, hold on. I'll let you know about Aisha. Ibrahim, what about Aisha? Ibrahim has good
So, ma'am,
database.
which class is that?
Aisha, no. So see what I'll tell you. Okay, listen to me. So
Sir,
we have
Umar
got.
is also not joining and
Okay.
Hamdan is also not joining.
Okay, so all of you, Umar, Hamdan, Juwaria, Aisha Qazi, Aisha Aga, Hamza, and Ibrahim Rizwani, you can go and do your flip classes, or you can study. You can just take a break. You have 2 maths classes, which are regular classes. Now it's a Mandela link. The rest of you will join. If you don't have a Mandela link, please ask me. I'll put that link in the WhatsApp group. So there's an extra maths class we're going to give for 6 of you. Other than that, others can take a break. All right, everybody. Rujda, you are joining.
sir,
Yes,
bye.
I got it.
I have to join the
Hi,
Mandela
Ma'am, I
everybody.
have to do,
Yes.
sir, I have to do my flip class.
No, no flip
Joining.
classes. Just enjoy. Yeah, you are joining.
Omar, we can talk.
Yeah?
Sir,
Mohammed,
can you give the Mandela?
I will put it in the WhatsApp group, so you will get the Mandela link. Rest of you can take a break. It's over. Your class is over. All right. Bye bye, everybody.